All right, I'm just going to get straight to the point. Most refrigerator manufacturers recommend that you vacuum your fridge coils twice a year for peak efficiency. When's the last time you pulled your fridge out? I bet it's been a while. Makes you wonder what kind of mileage people are getting out of the fridges that they haven't touched in, 10 years? Yikes. Look at the difference here. I mean, wow. So yeah, let's check on that real quick. Because eventually, letting this go results in your fridge failing, and it's not going to stay cold. And I think you can see why. Let's grab a vacuum with a crevice attachment, a paintbrush, and a rag, and head to your fridge right now. Pull it away from the wall, unplug it, locate your coils on the back end or bottom, and let's get to work. Let's start with the vacuum. Hit everything that you can see. Then, use the brush to get any hard-to-get spots or stuff the vacuum couldn't reach. Take your rag, wipe up any remaining mess, and grab yourself a nice cold beverage to reward yourself. Because you're done. You did it. The maintenance is complete. Thanks for watching this episode. Next up, we look at potential problems with big trees that are on your property. We'll see you then.